Banners in Motive Commerce Search make sure shoppers don't miss out on what you want them to see. They're perfect for letting shoppers know about campaigns you're running or even drawing attention to specific products. You can easily configure Motive Commerce Search so that a banner appears at the top of the results page when a shopper enters their search, allowing them to click on it and be sent to another page within your e-commerce store. Creating a banner is simple. Here's what you need to do. Click the Add Banner button, select the language of your shop where you want to see the banner, and specify if it will be shown for all searches or specific ones. Enter the image in the URL format and the target link, where the banner will redirect shoppers. To edit or delete a banner, hover over it in the list view. Click the edit icon to open the dialog box again and change whatever it is that you need to change. Or click the rubbish bin button to delete that banner for good. Once you save the edit or confirm the deletion, it will be automatically applied. Use banners for everything you want your shoppers to see and try them out now in the Motive Playboard to see how they work.